Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sappchat token. So this is obviously a play off of Snapchat, but it is Sappchat, S-A-P-P-C-H-A-T. Ticker symbol is SEC, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 16th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Sappchat token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Sappchat is a blockchain-based distributed platform designed to securely and privately connect users around the world through cutting-edge encryption and mobile communications technology. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 16th at 10 o'clock UTC time. Sappchat will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SEC, and then simply just buy the token. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. You can find it at Sappchat_token. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain. According to their BSC scan, the actual ticker symbol is SER. So just be aware of that. There probably is another token on Mexc Global with the SER ticker symbol, so they don't want people to get confused. So this one will be listed as SEC on Mexc, but just keep in mind that the actual ticker symbol is SER. Now there's 13 holders so far, which is, leads me to believe that this token is probably not listed really anywhere. It looks like there's a couple pancake swap transactions though. Now there's 18 decimal places on this token, a max total supply of 100 million tokens. Now they have 14,300 Twitter followers, and then there's a link to their Telegram here on the Twitter at Sappchat Chain, and then their webpage, sapp-chat.com. You can check all that out there. Now, they also have here a Telegram that has 10,781 members on it. It says Sappchat is a blockchain-based distributed platform. And then if you go to their webpage there, you can also find a 39-page white paper. Lots of information there. So they have, let's see here. So it says Introduction, Market Analysis of Mobile Messengers, Payment and Financial Applications, Data Privacy Concerns, Global Use equals Global Concerns. So they go over basically the history of mobile applications. We don't need to go over all this. Sometimes white papers can be, have way too much info on there. They also go over data privacy and concerns. Most people know about that type of stuff already. We don't need to go over the 27 pages about that. Let's skip all the way down past the global stuff and everything and go right to our solution, the Sappchat platform. So Sappchat is a blockchain-based distributed platform that aims at safely, privately, and securely connecting users worldwide by cutting edge of encryption and mobile communication technologies. Sappchat is built upon the Sapp chain, our technical partners blockchain, especially developed to cater to the needs of users of both cryptocurrencies and communication technologies. Sappchat's vision and development addresses the multiple shortcomings of existing MIMs and platforms by providing solutions to the following aspects. So Sappchat is a blockchain-based solution, and it has a full security against hacking, online attacks, financial fraud, and data and identity theft by providing strong encryption infrastructure and capabilities to support transmission of text messages, video, audio, and files, and secure transfer of payments and funds on the blockchain. Sappchat provides a complete solution that integrates communications and financial transactions between users. Sappchat offers a complete mobile solution and ecosystem for any type of communications between users, in addition to secure transmission of text messages, audio, and video feeds, and the transmission of files. Sappchat also provides the following features to its users. Number one is mobile payments and money transfers that are carried out through the Sappchat application. They also have a shopping platform in which users can purchase digital goods such as NFTs by paying with cryptocurrencies. They're also going to include an integrated crypto exchange through which users can swap cryptocurrencies and trade them. And they will also integrate a decentralized finance platform where users of the application can link their wallet assets to liquidity pools and provide liquidity and generate interest from their crypto assets. So if we scroll all the way down here, they compare it to other platforms and how they are superior. Now, they have a huge section here about Sappchat DeFi solution and its main competition. They have all sorts of references to all the things that they talk about. And they show you step by step how to use the platform on their gigantic white paper. Let's skip down here to the tokenomics, basically. So it says here you could use this for payments, transfer of funds, cryptocurrency exchange and trade, DeFi investments, online shopping and e-commerce. Ticker symbol is SER, 100 million total tokens. How they're split up here is 40% of the tokens go to developers and founding team. And then we got 10% reserve fund, 20% to the ecosystem development, and 30% for community rewards. Now, there is a roadmap on here, starting with implementation of end-to-end encryption and text messaging, development of the crypto wallet, integration of the crypto wallet onto the Sappchat platform, integration of crypto payments, operation on the Binance Smart Chain, so that's the token that they just came out with, and then token reward mechanism for holders, testing the application, testing for cybersecurity vulnerabilities, and then we're going to have integration with swapping and trading solutions, development of the shopping platform, person-to-person audio and video chats, and then integration with advanced graphics and UI UX features. So check this token out, getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 16th, 10 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. And like I said, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, make sure you check out all the referral codes down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.